Being 125 years old, that's very unique. To maintain success over that period of time, very difficult. Our company invented fiber cement. So the Australian organization took on the project in the late 70s to produce a non-asbestos cement board when one didn't exist anywhere in the world, and they were successful in inventing fiber cement as we know it today. That led to really the next big step for the company was when we entered the U.S. market as a greenfield in Fontana, California. Cement boards had virtually gone away at the time. The investment in Fontana was really, kind of statement of confidence in the technologies by the company. Although it was a little bit rough at the start, that's been a very successful investment by the company and really led to the next big decision by the company, which was to focus exclusively on fiber cement. We divested all the businesses that weren't fiber cement related and used that money to fund the growth strategy, mainly in the U.S., but also reinvesting money in Asia-Pac with the Philippines investment and also market development in Europe. Not only have we been successful, we can see that we're going to continue to be successful if we continue to do the right things. We've always had a good company balance between community and business, but more recently I see a lot more activity on the community involvement, whether it be around the plants or around the offices. I think that's something for myself and for really everyone that's involved with that to be very proud of.